At the core of the Delhi police's conspiracy theory into the Northeast Delhi riots is a meeting that our investigation raises important questions about. The police has alleged that former AAP councillor Tahir Hussain, JNU student Umar Khalid and United Against Hate founder Khalid Saifi had met on 8th of January at Shaheen Bagh, where they decided that there will be a big blast at the time of US President Donald Trump's visit in February 2020. A plain reading of the charge sheet led us to our investigation. We found out that till 12th of January, there were no reports whatsoever regarding Donald Trump's visit to India. So the big question then to ask is, how is it that this trio, as alleged by the police, planned the riots for a visit that there was no information about at that time? I'll take you through what the charge sheet says. It reads that Khalid Saifi had arranged Tahir's meeting with Umar Khalid on 8 January 2020 at Shaheen Bagh. In that meeting, it was decided that there will be a big blast so that the central government could be shaken on the issue of CAA/NRC and so as to defame the country in the international arena. It also adds that these riots were planned to be happened during or prior to the visit of US President Donald Trump in the month of February 2020. Now let's go through the chronology. On 7 January, according to a MEA release, PM Modi and US President Donald Trump got on a phone where they exchanged New Year greetings. The release, however, makes no mention of a visit by Donald Trump to India or one in the future. On 8 January then, according to the police charge sheet, this trio, that is Tahir Hussain, Khalid Saifi and Umar Khalid, met at Shaheen Bagh where they decided that there will be a big blast around the time of Trump's visit, which is February 2020. Now let's come to January 13, where the first media report on Trump's visit to India was reported quoting sources. The article reads that the decision of Trump visiting India was discussed on that call on 7 January, that the visit had not been formally announced, and that it was discussed for last week of February but could be shifted to accommodate the Senate vote on the impeachment hearing against Trump back in the US. On the basis of all this, the unanswered questions are: A. How is it that the three of them knew about Trump's possible visit to India a day after PM Modi and President Trump spoke to each other? And secondly, how did the three of them then discuss this visit on the 8th of January, 5 days before there was any mention of it in the public domain? Either way, Satish Tamta, who is a noted lawyer with a well-established practice in criminal law in Delhi, told me that this charge sheet itself was problematic. He said that while the police is making this claim, they have to also mention in the charge sheet who these details were disclosed by and what the evidence was. And that there appears to be no evidence at all. He also added that a story was being narrated and attempts were being made to make this charge sheet more interesting before finalizing it. Now, even if we take the police version for what it is, there are only two possibilities. Firstly, that there is some error or discrepancy in the information that the Delhi police has provided in this charge sheet, or secondly, that Umar Khalid, Tahir Hussain and Khalid Saifi somehow knew about President Donald Trump's visit to India a day after the President and Prime Minister spoke and 5 days before it was published anywhere in the media. For a more detailed understanding of the story, please go ahead and read this story on the Quint's website. If you want us to continue to rigorously report regarding the Northeast Delhi riots and the Delhi police's probe in it, then please support us.